So guys, let me show you how you would have captured this big move. You see this sell, it was massive, it was sweet, I was in. Let me show you how I did it. Okay, you see, from a daily perspective, the market was indeed bearish. That's where we are now. And was it not bearish, but it had also formed some reversal, of course retesting from these lows here. You see this low, that way it was coming to retest, and furthermore this retracement was adequate as it had hit a minimum threshold of about 50%. Quick down to H4 time frame, you notice that at this moment the bears had started stepping in. You see this H4 candle, it closed a big engulfing candle, in fact engulfing two candles and a third one partially. Furthermore, some traders will argue that they were still retesting from this H4 fair value gap. You see that zone, some traders will still go for it, but that was not my main point of interest. Even I didn't consider it. So let me show you what I considered. I considered the internal break of structures, the ones I keep emphasizing each day and every day, because that's where the money is. Let me draw them for you how I entered. You see, if I take a path here, of course the market was coming like that, like that, like that. With experience, you just see this internal break of structures with the bare naked eyes. That was my price action. So what does that mean? Let me remove this one. That means that the market had come, broken this low, and now here it was coming back to retest, of course continue selling. Let me remove this to show you where the market was retesting from. The market was retesting from this H1 order block. You see that H1 order block? That's where the market was coming to retest. And even if you take a Fibonacci, you see that this retracement of course was more than 50%, so it was adequate. My next step was to run to the lower time frame to look for entry confirmations. You see, from this lower time frame, you notice something. The market was starting to reject. You see, like this was an indecision candle, indicating that there was some form of potential reversal. But then wait a moment, you can't just execute without a confirmation of course a bearish engulfing candle like that one. You see, the moment that one formed, I confirmed that indeed the bulls, the bears, they have come full force. I didn't hesitate, came, entered the next 10-15 candle with the stop loss of about 15 pips. But of course I was targeting 1:3. I won't cheat that I had the trade up to the end. Of course, if I wished to, I would have, but I was not willing. It was not in my plan. So that's how I came and entered. I want to show you how quick this move was. Even myself, I didn't believe it. Immediately after entering, the market just came a bit, and then within no time, it boom, it dropped like crazy. You see, it dropped. I had not set my TP in the MT5, so the moment I came, I found the market here. I closed immediately. That was enough for me. But the market was not yet done. It continued dropping. Of course, there I was out. But you see, I would have captured all this move within that minute. You see, we are in M15 time frame. It was so good and so nice. So guys, try leveraging the internal break of structures, and you'll see your game change. Till next time, Bella ciao.